Hey, welcome to episode 53 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about you guys checking those third party bureaus at least every 3 months. Now, those third party bureaus, you guys, are just like the credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. They just smaller. And I don't want to say that they're smaller, but they're just companies that have different information about you. Usually we hear about TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, but we have these other bureaus that still behind the scenes doing what they do. So I definitely want you guys, after you fix your credit, we talked about, I think that was episode 50 or 51. We talked about you checking the credit bills every month. You want to check these third party bills at least quarterly. So I would say every 3 months. Now, one of the main bureaus you want to check is Lexus Nexus for sure. You just want to make sure there's no new negative information, nothing new is being added. You just want to make sure no fraud or anything happening there and everything is perfect. So when you want to go ahead and apply for something, you know your Lexus Nexus is good. Also, you want to look at the save stream. Also, just make sure that everything is up to date, everything is current, there's no new things, no fraud or anything like that, because that can help you guys. Like I said, when you want to go apply for something, you don't want to think, oh my gosh, I should have checked that first, because you could get a denial based off of some information that is on these bureaus. You can also check in the clarity service. I see that a lot of time they are helping to report, like if you guys want to go on a cruise, they have like a special, those, I forgot what you call them, buy now pay later kind of things. Yeah, that's what it's called. That's usually who use that clarity service. So especially if you guys are doing that SEMA, I think it's Snap, I forgot what you call it exactly, the Snap credit. That's those companies that's actually using like the clarity service. So you want to make sure you're checking these. There's so many other third party bureaus out there. I had a full video on that. We went over that a few episodes ago. So definitely check that out. Just go through the playlist and see where you can see those third party bureaus and check those out. And then make sure you guys are checking those every 3 months. Definitely check those. Now we're going to definitely go over the DIY credit repair. I want to tell you guys how you can actually repair your credit yourself to get your credit scores up 200 points, especially for those people that have a very low credit score. Okay, so you don't have to pay anybody to do this. You can actually do it yourself. I'm going to tell you guys how to do it. I'll see you guys there.